Welcome back to Journey Alberta. I'm Sean. My girlfriend Danae's over here. Today, we're out in Kananaskis to hike to Troll Falls. Like I said, we're out here near Kananaskis village. We can do the hike to Troll Falls in the winter. See the frozen waterfalls and stuff. We've got our ice cleats on our shoes, so we're going to be able to get right up and close.
Back there, by the way.
She almost tripped. The hike isn't very tough or hard to get to. The first waterfall, it's only about 1 kilometer. Minimal elevation gain. We're in the trees now. It's not a super terribly cold day out, probably only like -2-ish.
My hands are cold though.
Her hands are cold. She got gloves. I've got gloves. I don't even need a toque though. I'm actually fairly warm. We're in the trees now. It's a nice hike to do. It's very family friendly. There's a lot of people out here today.
Some kids on sleds.
Some kids being pulled on a sled. Their dad kind of looked
a little done with the day.
Little done with the day. We're making our way up now. Where I was actually out here with Danae a couple months ago when it was a little warmer. Took some pictures if you noticed on the Journey Alberta Instagram. Didn't make a video back then. But it'd be nice if we came out here today. Saw what it looks like in the winter. Getting close to Troll Falls right now. Probably only like a good 5 minutes from it. We've gotten a little colder now. Put my toque on. Put my hood up. Like I said, we're almost there. Shouldn't take us more than 5 minutes, I think, till we're at Troll Falls. And afterwards, we're gonna go up the hill, see some of the other waterfalls as well, frozen ones. Pretty cool if we could go behind one of the frozen ones when we're out here today. I think that'd be really sweet. We're heading up towards the upper falls now, the other waterfalls that are further up the trail. We had to double, yeah, no, I'm good. We had to double back a bit from Troll Falls. Something I did want to say though, is that a lot of people that were at Troll Falls climbing up around the ice that didn't have anything to grip the ice on their shoes. To me, it seems like common sense. If you're gonna be climbing on the ice and stuff, you gotta wear something that's on your shoes, some kind of ice grips, crampons, cleats. People weren't. A little kid almost fell, which could have been pretty bad. Could have broken a neck, an arm, a leg. Just know your own limits when you're coming out here. If you're coming out here with your family, kids gotta know that climbing on ice up by a waterfall, it can be dangerous. It's dangerous stuff. It's a very real danger, even though it might not seem like it. And getting out of this area, you need to be helicoptered out, and that could take time. So beware of of the risks. Know your own limits. We've made it to the end of the trail. Last waterfall, it's a big one right here, up where Danae is. It's a fairly big one. It's pretty cool this time of year, and it's also pretty cool in the summer as well. I've only been to it in the, I guess it was in the fall I went, before it was frozen. It was pretty cool then. Just gonna hang out here for a little bit, climb around the ice, and then we'll start heading back. There's another waterfall that we're going to go to on our way back though. It's a bit hidden, but I know where the trail kind of goes off to go down to it. Luckily we have our ice cleats on our shoes, so it shouldn't be a problem getting down to it because I know where it is. It's a little bit of a path. We'll relax here for a little bit and then start making our way back. So we made our way down to one of the other waterfalls now that we can only really get to by diverting off the main trail onto another little trail. I'm not going to say where it is because I kind of want to keep this specific spot hidden if I can. But we're going to go walk behind it. It's been pretty cool. Oh, this is cool. Behind the waterfall, frozen waterfall.
Can I lick this?
Sure, lick it. This is pretty cool. Well, that was a really cool experience. I'm glad that we came up to this other waterfall here and we're able to go behind it, both of us, Danae and I. Hello.
Hello. I'm not gonna fall.
She's going back to explore something.
Over there. I'm not gonna fall though.
She says she's not going to fall, but who knows. We start making our way back to the vehicle. It was really nice at this waterfall, especially because there was no one else here. Parking lot's pretty full out here today at Troll Falls. But luckily right here, it's just us. Well, we're back at the vehicle now. It was a great day, great hike. It's always a fun time to come out to Troll Falls. It's one of my favorite hikes to do. It's easy, you get some good views, even if there were a lot of people out here. What did you think of the hike, Danae?
It was good. I preferred it the last time we came out because there were a lot less people. And seeing people be unsafe around ice really, really bothers me. So I kind of took away from the hike because I was worried for their safety.
Yeah.
But otherwise, it's beautiful. The secret waterfall was great.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I liked
Fun
it.
time. Hopefully you've enjoyed watching. Make sure to leave a like and a comment down below on what you want to see us do next. Subscribe for new videos coming every Friday.
Art museum.
Ow. We'll see you next week. Bye.